attack, Master Chief.
All right, cool. Let's test out. All right, cool. Everything seems to be working. I got my new controller finally, so I'm happy about that. 200 spins. Hello, Julian. Hey, nice redeem. How you doing? Merry Christmas, at least for me. Today is the 25th for me, so how's it going? That's one mix. What are we doing here? Oh wait, I have a wait, I do have a car. On test. Where's the Honda? There it is. That's the one. Merry Christmas! Yeah, hello Pixel Foxy. Thanks, Julian. Yeah. We have a feast coming up later. I mean, essentially it's tomorrow. I'm still like, this is like the end of 24th for me, so. The food, the feast? Oh, I'm not in charge of the feast at all. I'm just going to my aunt's place. God, I don't have to cook. Too much work. Yeah. Could be. I think I already talked about the story yesterday, but essentially we had like an early Christmas celebration because my aunt's daughter came back to visit. And she's not coming back for Christmas, so we had our turkey dinner the first week of December, which was weird, but I'm not gonna say no to food. It was fine. But my aunt also said that we're not going to not celebrate Christmas. We're also not going to eat turkey again, so then we have roast beef coming. I guess roast beef is... There's no like real traditional... Is there like a traditional Christmas feast? I guess it would be turkey, right? What do Americans do? Do they just do turkey twice? Because their Thanksgiving is so close. End of November into December. Not even a full month has passed and they're having turkey again. Good. And then an annoying note. Was the dinner or having some issues with fam or the people that you had your Christmas meal with? I see. Maybe less downforce isn't the way to go here. sometimes, family stuff. Those tend to come out in the celebratory dinners, because that's when you guys meet up. So it is what it is. Feels bad though. You had to deal with that. Oh, okay. I guess I'm not playing this anymore. Do I have something good in B? No. I think I do actually. Right. FJ maybe. There. I don't think I have anything here. Annoying. Okay, let's just do FJ. Yeah, it do happen like that sometimes. It's just unfortunate. I feel for you, buddy. Always sucks, like such a positive time gets messed up a little bit. Unfortunately. Wow, there's a guy with level 10th prestige. Is it a hack? We'll see. Does that mean he's a hacker? Nope. Probably just botted the account or something. Grandma and others came for the day. That's cool. What was that? Probably got pretty tiring and stuff because of kids and stuff. Actually, how it usually goes. Huge family dinners are great once in a while, but the reason why you don't have them a lot.
Has been nada.
What's these? Oh wait, you were in charge of the feast. Oh, that makes sense. What'd you end up making? Merry Christmas, Steve. Officially from me. It is the 25th for me now, so. How you doing? Oh god. Wow, that's just the strength of the lobby. I completely wreck it and I'm still in front. Whatever. Oh, you helped prep. Okay. But what do you guys end up having? Probably like the highlight of the day for you. Yeah, just crossed. I think it was 1:30 a.m. on the 25th. That's why I'm saying it. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Not to make this competitive, though. Barbecue. Oh, interesting. I've never heard of barbecue for Christmas, but I guess there isn't really a tradition with that. Or it really doesn't matter. The real tradition one is just Thanksgiving with the turkey, right? That's the one where there's a set food. Everything else kind of is whatever. That's cool. I wish we had barbecue. Nobody in our family really does barbecue, like slow barbecue. It's usually like grilling steaks and the stuff. None of them do like slow barbecue. That was kind of entertaining for a bit. I'll join for some B-class road limousine action. It's not road though, but I guess if it becomes road, you'll be there. After I went to nap, woke up and felt tired, still crazy. Ordered meats, yeah, that makes sense. I wish I love seeing barbecue. I like eating barbecue, but like making it is a lot of work. Just like from the amount of time that it takes, and like you have to prep it early and stuff. Of course, you have to have the grill and everything as well, which I don't have. I never help. Yikes. Yeah, I mean, I've just gotten used to people saying what they think happened and then it not working out. It comes with living with grandparents that it's a mix of they just don't remember and like they just don't remember what they said or like what happened, and B, it's just they don't care. So you just have to not take it to heart. I'm sure she was stressed out with everything. All right, keep going. I tell because she throws stuff at someone has to make loud noises. She's just stressed, I imagine. Having to prepare food and stuff can't be easy. But it doesn't really excuse her actions at all. You can kind of understand it. DGC's in here. It's the end. Oh, yep, of course he's in that thing. Kind of meta. I don't know why it's so slow. I'm not even in like full meta. This is like right on the... This is essentially right there with the meta. Duman! Welcome, welcome. I don't know how to read that, but welcome. They're about watching movie with all those scenes. Hit turn around. Damn. Her mom? So your grandma? Yeah, that do be kind of weird though. Sometimes grandparents just don't know what stuff is appropriate or not anymore. It's kind of hilarious. Like I don't... The more I live with them and talk with my grandparents and stuff, the more I realize, man, they're racist. Maybe they just like don't know what the boundaries are anymore. But back when in their day, they didn't have those types of boundaries. But again, it doesn't excuse their behavior. I don't give grandparents a pass just because they're old. I want when I grow up, I want to be like updated even when I'm old. You know what I mean? Like I don't want to be completely out of touch with society. I want to be like updated, know how to use computer or like, the latest technology and stuff like that. Unlike my grandparents who just give up and just like I don't know how to use a phone or whatever. It's kind of annoying. Happy Merry Christmas, Real Dust. Like the boomers, exactly. I don't want to be a boomer. Like, I love my grandparents, you know, but yeah, I'm learning how not to be old from them. And my older siblings were annoying her or something. I was gonna say something. I guess you were just because you were helping the prep and stuff. You're just easy target, I imagine, for her ire. Be like that sometimes. I wonder if there are Christmas noobs in this game. I guess they wouldn't be showing up yet because they don't. All the Christmas people that receive this game haven't received it yet. They'll receive it today or later today. At least where I'm from. It is like 1:45 right now, so nobody's really playing this game. Are new to it. Tomorrow, bro. Tomorrow, though. It happened. Although I'm not playing this game tomorrow. Hi, Dan Real Dust. Merry Christmas to you as well. How's it going? Welcome to the stream. I already had some alone time. Yeah. That's good, though. Blowing up... Like, retorting is kind of one of the worst things you could have done as well. So... Getting alone time and stuff is good as well to handle it because everything's stressful and everything, so there's no point in like trying to handle that immediately in that situation. Is different about it. That's good though. I'm sure everything after everything it should get better, hopefully. I don't know. I think you handled it like a champ. From what I understand. If you made a scene, it would have been bad anyway. Like, it wouldn't have solved anything other than ruining the dinner. So, you did the right thing. And then venting to other people is fine, all that stuff. But if you actually do feel slighted, you should talk to your mom. Like, the day after or whatever. About map. Just so like there's nothing lingering between you guys after. If you already know that she doesn't mean it or whatever, then that's fine. But if you have an inkling that she does, then you have to talk to her to get everything out. But I'm sure you seem like a smart dude. So you know how to handle this stuff. Aaron's gonna be stubborn. Yeah, that's true. I mean, it's kind of, the older you are, the more stubborn you can probably be, just because you have so much life experience to fall back on, especially against people that are younger that have less experience. So you're pretty locked in to your mindset, which is also something I would want to avoid actively as I grow up. It's one of those things where you don't even notice it, right, when you become stubborn or become locked into your mindset. But hopefully the people I'm surrounded with will call me out on it. It does start happening. Just over it. That's good. That's good. That was the food itself, though. You had a full belly. Oh, this ZGC member is not one of the good ones. Oh god, I thought that was the last lap. Yeah, this is B class, so it takes a bit. Feels like it should be the end already, but it's been 2 laps. More dessert than barbecue. Hey, you know what? That's a strategy, you know? That's a strat. If you like dessert more, don't fill up on actual barbecue, you know? That's a viable strat. Where are these guys? Holy crap. Good. There we go. Hey, welcome Zevo. Merry Christmas. It's the 25th for me now, so Merry Christmas. I know yours doesn't come until the 7th, right? Be a bit. You need to kiss Simo so bad. Hey. What's stopping you? You rewatch that way to find the one frame. Wait, I don't. Okay, cool. Your Pog and Gasm are kind of similar. With a different background. Oh god. Okay, what am I driving here? Grab him. No, let's try the CCGT. If I have it still. Yeah, I'll try it. I might have been spoiled by the Brabham. I want to see if it's better or worse. All from the anime. Are they all from the new? Oh no, there's not. I don't think. Aren't most of these from the old art style that you didn't like? Last three are new style, right? Am I mistaken? Oh wait, no. Nope. Yeah, I think that's correct. Yeah, I'm just wondering whether like you probably like find equivalent from the new, unless there is. I guess there was only one season of the new art style so far, so probably not a lot of variety yet. Alright, here we go. Okay, there's definitely a problem here now. Okay. I think, I don't know. Maybe I'm just on it today, but it seems like this car is less loose in the rear than I remember it. I think it is looser than the Brabham. The rear, at least with this tune. Back from the Seppi era. Like it's a first week tune essentially. Cruise missile be called a drone? Probably not. If it has explosives or something on it, I don't think it could be classified as a drone. Basic. Nice. I'm waiting for emote AI generator. You just AI art generate and then just crop for the square. I don't know any. I forgot what they're called. I mean, if you just Google AI art generators, you'll probably find some. I personally don't know the names of them, but wait, what's the weather forecast? Holy crap, why is it so warm? Is winter over already? I haven't even hit January. Interesting. We'll see how it goes. And you want to end it on a good note. What specifically are you talking about there? I get the tree. Just following the line. I got pretty close to the tree. In general, like of all days. Ah, I see. Salmon. How you doing? Welcome, welcome. It's Graham. How's it going? Merry Christmas for me. It is 2 a.m. on Christmas Day for me right now, so Merry Christmas. We celebrate that. Happy holidays. Day in general, and then a good out. You know what? It's great. You're starting it. You're starting the recovery for the day well by joining the stream. Let me say that, Pixel Foxy. That's a great choice to at least get on the right track, you know. Chat GPT. Oh, the essentially the text generator. Oh wait, no, it's no, it's not text generator. Sorry, it's the chatbot. That's like so far has officially what's it called? Has officially prevented itself from being anti-Semitic and stuff like that that all the AI bots have gotten to when everybody tries it. Yeah. It's cool. I don't know. I don't think I have like a specific opinions about it. I think it's a cool thing that people are doing. And I mean, there are already apps. There's like I keep on maybe it's because Google knows I'm lonely, but like I get ads a lot for this other chatbot. I remember it's like an AI replica or something with a K. It's like an app. It's like an app on your phone. to be able to check. I guess a virtual friend is how they advertise it. Oh, you mean like customer service stuff? I mean, I think with customer service, like responding to real people about their issues, it's like mainly it's about issues people call about. It's never the product is working perfectly, in which case like get a rewrite range. So I think I would question how good your data that you feed it would be in order to have it cover enough bases. There will always be like fringe cases of like the grandma or whatever calling and saying, hey, my phone won't start, and then like you ask them about it and they're like, yeah, I dropped it in the toilet, I don't know why it doesn't start now though, or thereabout, or like I put it in a blender and it's in shreds but I don't know why it won't turn on, and then you're left like, okay, thanks lady, can't help with that. But then like I don't know, I think there will still have to be like escalators where like people to escalate to can take over. Then I feel like people will, if they know that they can escalate, they'll just always default to that option. I don't know. You have to train it to know when it can't help somebody as well. But you think the ChatGPT is gonna be good for programming? Isn't it just a chatbot? Writing code, I don't think was one thing it can do. I don't know. I didn't know it could write code. I mean, that's the thing, right? I don't think any AI can write its own code yet. SQL queries, I can imagine. Like that's just like interacting with like an API or something, but nothing from scratch. I don't think it can do anything that it isn't programmed for. Because I think like one of the major things was AI being able to write AI is the main thing. Write code in SQL entries, that's fairly basic. But personally, I don't know how much of that is actually basic work. Like querying an SQL database is not something I think a lot of engineers end up doing. They like usually write code to create the queries for the database. I don't think it's at that level of abstraction yet. Some of the work that I've been doing is like I have to create code that creates the queries dynamically and knows what queries to give out and stuff like that. Whereas it can write queries themselves, but it needs code to do that. But I don't know. I feel like it's still at least one level of abstraction away from actually replacing humans. ChatGPT bot. Hey Libe plays Minecraft. Caleb? Oh, is this just Caleb? Am I just butchering that name? Hello, sup? How you doing? Welcome to the stream. Merry Christmas. It is 2 a.m. here for me, so Merry Christmas. Good in A class. I don't remember. This is a street, right? Okay. I don't want to go power build because that's boring. It's a GTR. Got 83 subs. 94. Wait, what? I have 94 when that happened. Oh, wait, maybe. I don't know, I haven't been keeping track, but that's cool. I haven't really been keeping track of my subs on YouTube, to be fair. But like, yeah, being close to 100 is kind of insane. Probably gonna end up triggering another 24-hour stream because it's like another great milestone for me. But since I'm working as well, it's gonna be tough to find time to do a 24-hour. Yeah, just like some. Oh, it's just basic skeleton code for a website. I doubt it generated this dynamically. I feel like the programmers just said, hey, just give this and like randomize the variables or something. But what are you gonna say? Hey, thanks, buddy. I don't know, sometimes the YouTube alerts don't work, but thanks, really appreciate it. I'm glad you have enough faith in my content that I'll only have to drop by and immediately drop the stuff. Hopefully I can earn your sub as I go on. Until like I see it, like until I see more, like one extra level of abstraction and stuff like that, where like they're designing stuff. I think, okay, this is the thing, right? I think AI will be really good with debugging code. I think that's the next thing. I think there's already like stuff like that where like there's AI driven like autocomplete and stuff like that. I think there's like GitHub had one like push something like that. Git farm, I think. Whatever. It's a sort of plugin service thing for autocomplete and like for debugging code as well. I think it's gonna be very instrumental. I just don't know. I'm just like still questioning the viability of generating full projects and code and stuff like that, even if it's like operational work. Because actually, okay, here's the thing, right? With like IT jobs, the most basic level of like really simple stuff is operational work. And when I don't like, if you don't know what operational work is, it's essentially with like just working within like systems that your company has. So like you're like going through UI pages, clicking through, like if your company has like services where you where you have to provision like a server box or something, but you have to go through this provisioning service that's within, and then like a lot of grunt work when you're like entry level there is clicking through UI elements. It's like, I asked for a host, and it's like, oh, I did it, but it's like not really coding. And I don't know if AI will like that stuff can be just automated with code, but I don't know how much I trust AI to do it. And then once you get past that, it becomes like designing things, and like AI might be good at generating code, but it can't like, I think like once you get into like security concerns and stuff like that, like I don't think it knows how to do that until like later on when it knows how to do that. Thanks for listening. I'll play Forza, but I'm on mobile and I don't know how to get Forza Horizon on my laptop. If it's not a strong laptop, you can do, I think there's Xbox has a service where like it's Xbox Cloud or something, where you could stream it and still play it. So you could do that, and then like it doesn't matter how powerful your PC is. Actually, you can play on mobile at that point. I think it's called xCloud or something. As a service that will run the game for you and just stream on it. So yeah. Thanks for the sub. Pixel Foxy, thanks for listening to me. Hey, no worries, Ben. Always down to help out, no worries. Glad that hopefully it helped improve your day at least a little bit. That's That's what I'm here for. Be it entertaining or even just being an ear. All about that parasocial relationship, you know. Let's try something. I don't know. I don't know something on the top of my head. Yeah, all the stuff like I feel like is too complex for it. Like designing a have it create a database table that has primary keys and stuff. I don't know what you like store in there though. You'd have to give it probably something more than that. I think it's that's like can be just placeholder code anyway. We design like TCP implementation, like all the handshakes and stuff. How to design that? Maybe like some skeleton code or something. Ask for. Oh my god, that guy just left the car there. Feels bad. I think that's fairly basic. Basic networking code. There are probably like libraries that do that very well. I think I remember using some in Java, but asking for a web scraper, I think that's fairly simple as well. I don't think actually any web scraping is in like a lot of entry level jobs. Web scraping is actually like fairly like obvious, or unless you have like a very specific workload that requires web scraping, like maybe aggregate sites are the only ones that have web scraping. Vago and stuff like that, where they like have to have to include like prices from all over the place. Oh, of course, this guy's in a phone shaker. I caught up to him even after I completely got stopped dead by the pickup earlier, which is nice. You just play Forza Horizon or other games? Oh no, I do play other games. I recently stopped playing F122. But it's mostly racing games. So Forza is one of them. GT7 and then F122 used to be on the rotation throughout the week. And then I also play Genshin Impact. Right now I'm dropping F122 next week, so it's probably gonna become Cold War Zombies at least for the next week or two. Next couple weeks maybe. Just like once I get sick of playing zombies for 2 days in a week, then we'll think of something else. I think like Need for Speed Unbound is probably going to end up being pretty high on the list. Eventually I'll be playing that, and then I think Assetto Corsa, trying out Assetto Corsa, maybe setting up some mods and whatever. Might be cool to try out, because I always see all this like Toge stuff, like Initial D recreations in Assetto, and it looks pretty cool. Yeah, that's like initially what I have ideas for. I mean, maybe like on an off chance I might play League, just to get some nostalgia because I haven't played it in a hot minute. But it might just be on like my Smurf where I don't play anything, or like I play like random stuff. Won't kill entry level jobs, but I think in like 5 to 10 years everyone will use it as an assistant at work. Yeah, no, I totally agree. I think it's we're already there. You don't have to wait 5 to 10 years with like, because there's AI powered, like as I mentioned, there's AI powered autocomplete, like AI powered, and then like I think like the natural extension is AI debugging, like detecting errors in logic and stuff like that. You just run it through essentially before you compile something or whatever. A power build or what? Oh yeah, he's in a power build A-class bone shaker. Interesting. I had to do that to miss the traffic. God damn. I hit it right into the wall, so I had to like really dodge it like that. Yeah, there's nothing I can really do since this is such an open track time around. The fact that he's not very far away from me just shows the amount of skill he has with this power build, but it is what it is. We'll search on crack. Yeah. Didn't see that. The fact that he lost me earlier is hilarious. So bad for him. Send me something. Spawn, start, get. Oh, it's just an example. I don't think it generates it. If like from like it's saying it, it's just an example. It probably has like a huge database of this stuff. Yeah, so it is more like Google on crack than it is generating code, I think. Yeah. Like tell it like to scrape Facebook and like a page or something. Because at that point, then they'll have to access Facebook, know what the Facebook HTML structure is, where the like button is, and access that specific element. I've done this before. Or Insta. Yeah. 'Cause this is like all that this is doing is that it's getting all elements. I don't even know what using this beautiful soup is apparently the library. I don't know what imports it's using. So what libraries are you even using? Cross country. It's more complicated than just filling in rows because it has to like look at the data structure and know like which HTML like element it is. You have to go through like HTML like through, I think like from my understanding it was like 4 or 5 layers deep into like the HTML file of the page, but they can do it. And then it have to like find, because like all of this is just, it has to like then use the library to click it. Yeah, but that's not the thing. I just need it to get the code to interact. He doesn't have to. The bot doesn't have to interact. But yeah, so then that's a sign that it can't do it. Okay, what's this in? I didn't actually see what big lamp was end up using. Rock. The broccoli good? Don't know much about scraping. I know where it is. Yeah, but I'm confident. Like I'm like even more confident now that it literally says example. And then like filling in rows is easy because it's like if it knows how to fill in like a specific stuff. But then like once it has to change the structure of the example, I wonder what happens. Of course, it just doesn't probably have like knowledge required to like know what libraries to use or like what Selenium is or whatever. Unless it has access to external internet where you can like kind of try and figure out. But then you're getting to the point where the AI would then have to be able to access Facebook, look at its Facebook page, HTML, like the F12 essentially on Chrome, right? And figure out what div or whatever is actually the like button that we're talking about. Stuff like that. And if it can't do all of that at the very least, then like the guy just has to design it themselves. Like if the guy has to give it that argument to the bot to fill it in, then the guy might as well just design, like just write the whole thing. Let's try crap out. Yeah, you seem to be really enthusiastic. I don't think I have time tonight, because I'm already like gonna be going a bit later than I want. That started late. Just my fault, but You'll have to work less. I mean, okay, this is the thing, right? Like, it's not gonna work like that. If the AI takes up more work, you'll end up just working on something else. The company is not just gonna allow you to like, oh, you can do less now. They'll be like, oh, that means you can pump out work faster, so then we're expecting more now. Wishful thinking, I guess you could say. Company's gonna be like, oh, great, now that you have to write less code, that means you can like pump out an extra project at the same amount of time, right? And I was like, So it's one of those things where like I agree with you, like it being an assistant, you'll just end up be doing more work or like less work faster essentially. But companies won't just say you can do less work, unfortunately. I wish that's how that worked. And then also there would be a shift for people like designing the AIs to make better predictions and stuff like that. I mean, that's already a thing, right? Like big data and training, artificial intelligence, machine learning. That's a huge field already, apparently. Oh god, I forgot this area. Forgot how that area works. Wow. Nice driving, okay. What is that guy doing? Hey, Ignition. I'm in Serbia and we are 10 years behind. Yeah, so you guys might not get the assistant very early. Anytime soon.
Hard to keep a straight face when I'm burning like fire, and you are cold as ice. I'm drawn in desire, and you have to think twice. It's hard to keep smiling when I try to set things straight. You don't even listen. I'm just getting late, like you're on a mission. Drawn in desire, and you have to think twice.
Hey.
Make me weak.
It was in first year of high school, that was anything about can't do at that level. Maybe. Okay, so we have some rammers here, I guess, now. Mr. Big Lamppost as a target. I mean, I don't really retaliate, and plus his car's probably gonna be way heavier than mine anyway. What the frick? Ah, dang it, these guys. Are you freaking... Okay, bro. Wow. I don't know what to say. Kind of tilted already right now. Alright. They know what they did. Yeah, I don't really know the art of pushing people, to be fair, because I try not to. More of this. What's a decent car in A, but doesn't... I kind of want that one, but... Dude, use that a lot. Use this car. Use this one? Semi-meta. Oh, Willie's Jeep, I think. Yeah. Right. Always a fun car to use. Those are lag pushes. I already see a HCTF behind me. Okay, fun to play again. Okay, this is a pretty good track because it's technical, so these guys can't keep up anymore because they're no good somehow. Don't really have to worry about the ACTF at all here. I wonder how many people had to ask about lag push and stuff for it to start learning what it is. So at the end of the day, like AI have to be trained on data and stuff. So when you say like somebody that knows how to do the entry level work has to have trained it to do the ledger, trained it with knowledge about that. That's the thing with AI, right? It has to be trained and everything. It's really bad at like completely random situations. Yeah, there's that, but then essentially like they in the whole like training behavior, like the whole like somebody has to have asked that question before and then it learned what the correct answer is. So that in its training data and what stuff like that, it has that in its library. Somebody has asked this question and this is what the right answer is. So somebody has to do that. This is the correct response. It's unavoidable. And then you have to ask it specific things to get the option you want, right? Whereas like a human being can like with context and stuff like that know what you kind of want without like spelling it out. And that's the thing with AI, right? If you train it on one specific input, then it only like knows how to respond to that input. So if it starts like if it's encountering input that it hasn't seen before, it's usually pretty difficult. I mean, that's where the art of AI comes from. So if it's like, you know, if it hasn't seen like it's getting it to generalize, you have to give it enough training data so it can generalize into like unknown situations, right? But depending on the field, that's different. And then yeah, you have to like and dislike. So yeah, so everybody that goes in is like liking and disliking it. Yeah, that's how you gain training data. So somebody liked it and didn't like it and stuff like that. It starts with something though. Like they definitely did before they put it out. They trained it on some stuff, right? You know what I mean? Like it's not. They came out with this blank. They trained on some stuff and then it continues to improve from people's responses. So think about like, if you actually think about this in a really basic sense, I don't remember if you like, do you remember the Akinator? Or I think it's still around, right? The site that guesses the person you're thinking of, quote unquote guesses. Like it's the same thing where like it doesn't know a person until somebody introduces like a random person. Like it'll get it wrong once, but then once it knows, then it knows that person. Then you have to add, like it adds self to the library. It's essentially what's it doing, like what's happening here, except of course Akinator is much more sort of algorithmic and like not complex. That's not a complex situation, but It's essentially doing the same thing. AI is just like a lot more like AI is like machine learning is just a lot more calculations and stuff like that. Like it works with like probabilities and stuff like that a lot. Having worked with it for like university papers and stuff that I've published, that we have published. We worked with like a research team. But yeah, so it's one of those things I do have a bit of expertise on. But probably like it did get trained on like some language data, like just Serbian or whatever languages, and then it can build it off of that depending on what it's been asked and whatever. And also like possibly like link it to some type of translator, so it only needs to be trained on one thing as long as it knows to translate it to English if the text is not. But it's no real point in discussing whether or not like how it does the language stuff, because we're never gonna really know. But yeah, I think is it open source? If it's open source, then that technically. The more training data you give it, the more, or like more broad and training data you give it, the better it gets at generalizing and being able to respond to more like random inputs correctly first time, instead of having to be told whether this is the correct input or this is the correct output. Oh, messed up. Another ACTF's right on me again. Oh, I remember that jump being bad for me before. Oh, thank God. That didn't happen. Willie's always fun. You can get API. Oh, okay. Yeah, I got that internship I was talking about. Hey! Oh, wait, what? But in June? Oh. So do you still have to take that class, or you just have to defer that class for later? Or just take that class later? So that's congrats, dude. That's good news. At the very least, you got something. Yeah, that's awesome. As long as there's a system for it, that's really good. Hey, congrats, man. Taking your first step into the professional world. Oh, you'll be working at a Fang real soon. It's no longer a Fatang, as Twitter doesn't count anymore, I think. Do well if they offer me a job after. Hey, nice. You got this. I have faith. Just don't offend anybody while you're there. Try your best not to do that. As long as you control yourself, I think you'll be fine. All right, cool. Going. Just a clean sweep. These tiny thin tires to work well. Get as much grip from them as possible. And this thin contact patch. Okay, cool. A bit of a lead here, so I should be able to not have to attempt anything crazy. Fine. Be good to go here. What's the pity B guy gets a second now? ATTF too strong. Less frustrating because he's not a very the best player. So he's literally not. So it's easily beatable in a decent car. This is the best satisfaction, you know. It's more frustrating when a really good player meta abuses and you're just like, why? Essentially, there's nothing you can do because you can't rely on them being worse than you. Nice, clean sweep. I want this, but it doesn't let me gift because we're online. Why is this load screen taking so long? Oh, there we go. Oh, it's cross country B. Boring. Super boring. Yep. No challenge, so you finish this faster. Wait, what? It means seasonal challenge. I gotta avoid those H5 FB guys. Or is it 5 Facebook? I'm assuming. Porgus! Hey, long time. Welcome back. The resub for 9 months. That's insane. You wasted money on me for 9 months straight. I don't know what to say. Appreciate it though. Welcome back. How you doing? Merry Christmas. Wherever I'll have auto resub, hey, it's no problem. Honestly. Oh, that guy suddenly gets so fast. Must be not using my gears very well or something that's causing them to be able to catch up that quickly. Oh, it's because I'm going through the props. That's how he gets all the speed on me. Alright. How's it going? What games have you been playing recently? What do you do? You landed on my car earlier. It's kind of hilarious. I don't know how he's getting so much more straight line speed than me, but... I think it's the angles I take these jumps are a big issue. Yeah, I'm probably gonna end up playing some COD next week. Coming week. On Tuesday and Wednesday, I was gonna go back and revisit Cold War Zombies because I didn't actually finish the last DLC or like the last map, so I don't even know what it is. I might end up actually watching some videos about it. I want to get all the Easter eggs done. I think I'm still missing the last Outbreak Easter egg, so. And then I still have a ton of unlocks to go through. That's gonna be fun. Actually, like legitimately looking forward to it. Should I get a burger or should I get some roast chicken for my midnight snack? Thoughts, guys? You either get a burger meal or I get fried / roast chicken. I need some help deciding. Thoughts? Borgar? Alright. Is there a specific reason over the roast chicken? Fried chicken. I think I'm gonna go with the roasted instead. Instead of fried. No. I'm saying that I'll go with the roast chicken if I was going to go with the chicken. I'm probably going to go with the burger if nobody says anything else. Convince me. I'm just wondering why I chose burger. I'm not saying that I'm not going to choose burger. Probably am. You said I have validation from you now, which makes it less of an issue for me to choose. Burger mood, I see. Gotcha. That English there. It's okay, you're Serbian. expect too much of your own English. It's okay, you get a pass. Oh my god, the car is so wide and long. You serious? Oh my goodness. No, I can understand that. I think Chinese is also harder than English. English is pretty easy. Just because you know a language that's harder to learn doesn't mean that you're supposed to know the easy language automatically. I would say. Man, that guy was salty AF that I passed him. Lol Mao. Still behind me. Why? If the people aren't in the holiday spirit, you know? That's sad. Like, why though? Why they gotta be like that? Context. That sounds pretty insane. Where does he get all that speed? What the frick is that tune? I'm curious now. This is like a pure cross-country tune? Does it have to be? Missed the checkpoint. You did. is a meta car. I see, I see. I thought the Ram was meta at one point, but... it's fallen out of favor as people have refined their tunes and stuff. Alright, I've ordered the Borgar. Daytona sucks with jumps though, from my experience. Yeah, I just don't like the Daytona because it doesn't handle jumps very well, especially in cross country. There's so many jumps. Oh, more dirt. You know what? I'm fine with it. What to take? What to take? I did the Willie's Jeep earlier. Probably gonna be less competitive, but try this. Actual off-road car. Ew. I don't remember the Scout having like that much acceleration though. Maybe it's just my tune. I might be behind in tunes. Oh, of course he's in the ACTF. Why would I think he was in anything different? 2 ACTFs. Alright. This car's much lower on the straight compared to the to my Willie's Jeep. We'll see how this goes. But much more nimble car though. through. Freedom is kind of fun to drive. It's so light, nimble. Just fun in a different way. It's just like more controllable, very confidence inspiring compared to the Willys G, which is like really loose. This one you don't really, it doesn't really, well, other than on the road, it's pretty crap on the road. It's not much better than the Willys Jeep on the road, but nah, man, you're in an ACTF. How is he far behind me right now? Lol. Credit to him for not leaving though. Some people that like using meta leave after they realize they can't win with meta. I guess he won last time. No, it's not him. It was the H5FB guy that uses meta. Big lamppost. Nice. I like this track anyway, so it's good. Okay. Oh, another favorite track of mine. My grid position sucks. Okay. Made my way to the front now. Stretch it. Okay, I'm getting my groove back a little bit here. This track specifically. What's this guy doing? Go. All right, gotta go. Have a nice Christmas. Hey, thanks, buddy. You too. Appreciate it, man. Always great to see have you here. Always great to chat with you as well. It's fun. This might be my last one, actually, depending on when the food starts arriving. Actually, I can do one more probably. I think the delivery driver hasn't even picked it up yet, so we should be good. Oh wow, my grid slot is crap again. What the frick? What? What? Not fair, bro. Oh, I have to work through the crowd. The ATTS is fast off the rip, so I don't have any advantage. Except for this one. This ATTF seems slow on the straight. On the road for some reason. Might be a very good tune. The U Grundy tune. I wonder if U Grundy has one. He probably has one for every car though. Not to not hit him, but I forgot I just goes through. This is not very technical course yet. I don't remember if it gets that technical though. It's all just really a ton of straight lines, I think, from what I remember. Once we get some turns here, I own. And I'm right on him again. I missed it. Frick! Eh, that sucks. Oh, that was so sad. Just taking second and won the whole thing still. I lost because of the last race. Feels bad, man. Yeah, that guy just got a... I don't know. I don't think driving meta is very good for him anymore. Because he'll just like feel like he's winning without it. But with it, it'll be fine, but he won't improve, I think. Because he's hitting a wall, I think, at this point. I don't think he's gonna get any better. Oh, am I going power build? We just at meta abuse. Let's not do full meta. Let's do... Let's do the M400. It's good, but not meta. Or it's pretty... Yeah, it's kind of meta. Alrighty, we're going. Dude left. All the good people left. Feels bad. Are you freaking serious? And that piece of traffic didn't move at all. And me hitting it. What is all this traffic? What? Are you freaking serious? Didn't I ghost through that or something? Oh my goodness. This sucks. This is actually so sad for me right now. Oh, that sucks. I was a traffic magnet. That's so bad. Alright, this is gonna be my last playlist, I think. Oh, a lot of peeps now. Oh, this is not a great track for me anyway. It was bad. Oh my god. Oh, is that a shortcut when my car just lifts off as well? Okay, got through. Didn't get effed over by traffic this time, so we'll take that. We take those. Yeah, last playlist ended kind of poorly just because of my grid position at the end. Made it really hard. I still got the second, but still. And then I just overdrove the car a little bit and missed a checkpoint. Unfortunately. Alright, here we go. Last one. Last race of the night. I think I'm gonna cancel my order for food now. Oh wait, no. Nobody's picking it up. Okay, nobody's gonna pick it up. Be easy peasy here, because I'm the only guy in a power build. As long as I don't get effed over by traffic. And it's not even like just standing traffic, it's like traffic that other players hit. Jumpy's a genius with this car. Drift tires, huh? Lol. Yeah, things that are good for the races. Not too easy these days. All right. Oh, sorry. That was kind of an abrupt ending, but... All right. With that, stream has come to an end here. All right. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Y'all have been amazing. Thank you to let me do my standard thing. Give me 1 second. We do Caleb plays MC. Thanks for the sub. Really appreciate that. Is 1985. I guess that's bad timing. Unfortunate. But yeah. Thank you to Corgus. Oh, is 1995. Thanks for the sub. Hope you enjoy the stream as much as I enjoy streaming it. Welcome, welcome. So I get to earn your sub a bit more, so you next time when I stream longer or something. But or while you're watching. Yeah, so thank you to TB Corgus earlier for the resub on Twitch. I was really do appreciate that. But yeah, with that said, hopefully I do stream every single day. Tomorrow it won't be Forza anymore though. It'll be GT7 for the next 2 days, and then after that I think it's gonna be Cold War Zombies for 2 days, and then we'll be looping back to Genshin 1 day, and then Forza 2 days again, and then we'll repeat everything. Yeah, so that's kind of the plan. So hopefully I'll see you guys there. Hope you guys have a great rest of the day, night, morning, afternoon, wherever you guys are from. Just have a great day in general. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, stay safe. And yeah, have a happy spread joy, all that good stuff. All right, bye bye. I just wanted to following on the Twitch. Thank you, really appreciate it. All right, take care, guys. Bye bye.